When shutting down the instrument, the first step is to make sure the chamber is under vacuum. You can do so by clicking on the evac air button, and when the evac LED is not blinking and remains illuminated blue, that's when you know the system is under vacuum. Always leave the chamber under vacuum when system is not in use. This helps keep dust and moisture out of the chamber to ensure the microscope remains in good condition. Close the TM4000 software and turn off the computer. Then proceed to turn off the power switch on the right side of the instrument, as you can see from the little image at the top. Then proceed to turn off the breaker at the back of the main unit, again as seen.